Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Tic Tech Magazine channel. Forget microwave meals and takeout. In just a few years, your kitchen could host an invisible culinary genius, an AI personal chef. This isn't science fiction anymore. We're on the cusp of an era where personalized, perfectly cooked meals are the norm, all thanks to incredible advancements in artificial intelligence. Prepare to have your mind blown by the future of home cooking. I'm your host, Techie, and my passion is exploring the tech that truly changes our lives. Today, we're diving into the kitchen, a place that's often been resistant to truly revolutionary tech. But trust me, that's all changing. We're not talking about smart ovens, we're talking about AI taking over the spatula. Let's see how. Remember the Jetsons, where Jane simply pressed a button and dinner appeared? For decades, that was the ultimate sci-fi fantasy. Automated meal prep, complex dishes, zero effort. We laughed, but deep down, we yearned for it. Well, the wild imagination of futuristic cooking is no longer confined to Hollywood. A quick dive into how far AI has come, beyond just chatbots, shows us sophisticated robotic systems now capable of incredibly intricate tasks. We've seen AI beat chess grandmasters, drive cars, and write essays. Now, AI is cooking, and it's closer than you think. Early models like the Moley robotic kitchen are demonstrating this reality. Imagine a fully automated kitchen module that can replicate gourmet recipes with astonishing precision. It's not a prototype anymore, it's in advanced development, with pre-orders expected for 2026. This is setting the stage for what's coming to your dinner table. But an AI chef isn't just about automation, it's about personalization. This is where it truly becomes your invisible culinary genius. How does it learn your unique tastes? Through data analysis and user feedback. Systems like the Chef Robotics platform integrate with your smart kitchen appliances, building a profile of what you love, what you hate, and what you need. Are you keto? Vegan? Allergic to nuts? The AI adapts. Real-time meal planning and grocery list generation are already here. Services like Init integrate with smart fridges from Samsung Family Hub and LG. Your fridge literally knows what's inside, suggests meals based on expiring ingredients, and builds a shopping list. No more wasted food, no more mental gymnastics at the grocery store. The effortless customization of meals, from allergies to adventurous cravings, powered by AI algorithms, allows precise control over ingredients. It's not just following a recipe, it's adapting the recipe to you. So, what does this AI chef do? It's far more than just a recipe book on a screen. It's actively involved in the cooking process itself. Smart appliances are connecting directly with AI chefs for truly guided cooking. Take the June oven, which uses AI to recognize the food you put inside and automatically adjusts cooking times and temperatures, or the thermocouple system from Robot Cook, which takes guided recipes to an entirely new level of precision. Imagine predictive cooking, AI anticipating your hunger before you even realize it. By analyzing your schedule, activity levels, and past eating patterns, your kitchen could start prepping dinner just as you finish your workout. While a full commercial product isn't widely available yet, prototypes are in active development. This isn't just convenient, it's almost clairvoyant, and a huge benefit, minimizing food waste and optimizing ingredient use with AI precision. Software like Olio and Too Good To Go already use AI to connect surplus food, hinting at a future where your home AI chef manages your pantry with zero waste, suggesting meals that use up what you have precisely when you need it.
Beyond the immediate convenience,
AI chefs are poised to have a profound, unforeseen impact on our daily lives. This isn't just about dinner, it's about life optimization. How about freeing up time and reducing decision fatigue? Systems from companies like Picard or Chefman, even if not fully AI chefs yet, are showing us the benefits of automation. Imagine those precious hours you spend meal planning, grocery shopping, and cooking return to you for family, hobbies, or simply relaxing. Empowering people with limited cooking skills to create gourmet meals is another huge win. AI-driven guided instructions and automated processes found in devices like the Tovala Smart Oven or the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro connect to extensive recipe libraries, turning culinary novices into confident home chefs. And finally, healthier eating habits. AI-driven recommendations, like those offered by Neutrino, now part of Apple, could directly influence your dietary choices at home, optimizing your health goals based on personalized nutritional advice. Your AI chef becomes your intelligent nutritionist. So, the future isn't just coming, it's here, and it's evolving rapidly. What's next for home cooking? Anticipate the next wave of AI-powered kitchen innovations, fully autonomous kitchen modules that act like micro-restaurants in your home, or even personalized food 3D printers currently being researched by companies like Foodini by Natural Machines, allowing hyper-customized ingredients and nutrition. But let's address the elephant in the room. Will AI replace human creativity in the kitchen? Absolutely not. I believe we're exploring a collaborative future where AI assists rather than dictates, enhancing our culinary skills rather than stifling them. It's about being a sous chef, not the head chef, unless you want it to be. The evolution of home cooking, from simple smart scales to integrated robot kitchens, is something to embrace. Keep an eye out for devices like the conceptual cuisine bot as they become commercially available. Your AI chef is here, transforming home cooking today, and this is just the beginning. What are your thoughts on an AI chef? Would you trust AI with your dinner? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're as excited about the future of tech as I am, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay curious and maybe get ready for your AI cooked meal.